Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to your Schwab Bank account on your phone. Step 1. First unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Schwab, look for the official app from Schwab and tap get or update. Step 2. Once it installs, tap the Schwab mobile app. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll see the box for username or login ID. Type the same name ID you use for Schwab online account. Step 4. Next type your password in the password box. Make sure you enter exactly. Check for capital letters or symbols. If you forgot it, forgot password to reset it. Now you're inside your Schwab account. You can check balance, view transactions, and that's it. That's how you can log into Schwab Bank on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop some like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.